Okay, good morning. So today, I will be teaching you about Google Classroom and how to use it blended learning modality of the Department of Education during this COVID-19 pandemic. So, about the app, Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for School that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. The primary purpose of Google Classroom is to streamline the process of sharing files between teacher and student. So you can access it by logging into a G Suite account. In our case, as DepEd employees, we can use our DepEd accounts. As a platform, Google Classroom is sufficient for teaching, especially for asynchronous mode. So Google Classroom is ideal for asynchronous teaching. It means that the teacher can facilitate teaching and learners can access the lesson even if they are not interacting online at the same time. It is perfect for flexible learning because learners from those with special needs up to those who are fast and advanced can accomplish their lesson anytime and anywhere convenient. And now that we know the basic Google Classroom, let's try it on. To start, we're going to launch our Google Classroom. There are two ways. Simply by using this search button and type classroom.google.com and just click enter, or by using this Google Apps Launcher by simply clicking this and double click the word classroom. So now we are in para ma-add natin sila sa ating klase. Next one, so we have here a familiar 3 bars icon. Kanina where we have 2 classes, now we have 3. So ito nga yung mapi na kagawa lang natin. So we have also here stream, we have also a classwork, people, kung saan dyan yung may kita yung mga student ninyo, and also the grades. We have also here a gear icon kung saan we can edit our class set. Go back to our stream. At the left part, you can see the upcoming deadlines ng mga activity na binigay natin sa ating mga bata. And also, you can share something with your class. For example, welcome message. Just like, welcome to my class. And just simply click post. Okay, so anything, you can share something with your class. Pwede niyang ilagay. Let's explore the classwork. In the classwork, we can see here a Meet if you want to see your student, Google Calendar, schedule ng mga activities na ibibigay natin, and also Google Drive folder, which is dito na pupunta lahat ng files, pero ngayon empty pa siya. Again, the classwork is the area which the teacher can organize their modules and lesson together with their material that he or she can use in a particular subject. So we can see here create. Inside of it, there is assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, reuse post, and topic. So in the reuse post, you're able to reuse your material from other Google Classroom. So in topic, if you want to arrange or organize your modules from lesson or unit, ito gagamitin mo by simply add topic. So i-add natin yung una natin topic. First, the introduction. Just click add and you can see we have our introduction here. Then put again another topic. So our other topic is the classroom rules. Yan. So if you notice, yung una nating nagawa ay napunta sa baba. Para madali natin ito ma-arrange, just simply click and drag. And now, meron na tayong introduction at classroom rules. So, sa left side ng ating screen, dyan may kita yung nagawa nating topic. So, dyan introduction, and then rin yung classroom rules. Ngayon naman, let's add materials. In materials, you need again to put a title. All Mathematics for MELCs. And also, at the lower part, we can add files in our Google Drive, link, also a file from our computer, and also a link from YouTube. So, dito, dahil MELCs ito ng grade for mathematics, you file. File. So, siya ay nasa aking computer. Okay. So, hanapin ko lang. Ito siya. Just click, then open. Then, so, nandito na siya. Yan ay ating materials about milks, mathematics of grade 4. Now, dito naman, so at the right side, we need to change this one. So, topic sabihin kung saan natin ilalagay. Okay, sabi nga sa inyo kanina, topics is the organizer. Okay, para hindi magkalo-halo yung modules or other materials. Okay, so dito, dahil dito, ito yung milks ng grade 4. So, ilalagay natin siya sa introduction. Then, wait natin mas-save and then post. So, as you can see, andito napunta yung ating mathematics grade 4 milks. Ganun kasimple. Just click create, then material, then put a file, then post it. Okay, so ngayon naman, let's classify these three: the assignment, quiz assignment, and question. In my perception, when we say question, you can put a question which the student can answer it on time. But in quiz assignment, you can use this one as your evaluation and the assignment as the assignment which you can set a deadline. So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo ng example kung paano ko nasabi na question is a recitation, quiz assignment is an evaluation, and assignment is literally assignment or a homework that you can set when to pass that one. Let's explore the people. So dito sa people, as you can see, it divides into two: the teachers and the students. So in the student, so dito on part to, we're going to start to add or to invite a student. We simply click this one and type the email of your student. Okay, so halimbawa meron ako student ito ang kanyang email. So click mo lang yan, then click invite. So invite na siya. So dito may kita mo ay invited, which is he or she is not officially enrolled in your class. So kailangan niya muna i-accept ang invitation mo para maging official student mo siya. So we're going to the phase of student. So ito muna ang dapat gawin ng student. Pumunta siya sa kanyang Gmail account. So dito may kita niya yung invitation ng kanyang teacher. So dito, just click join. Ayan, so ayan. So may kita na natin dito na yung student ay officially enrolled na. Kasi nakikita na niya yung banner ng kanyang klase. Okay, which is he can put also a comment here and pwede niyang i-browse, tingnan yung classwork, pwede niya makita tong milks na to na in-upload ng kanyang teacher. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo, pero bago tayo matapos, let me share to you my sample of my Google Classroom. Okay, ngayon nandito na kayo sa aking Google Classroom. Okay, so papasin nyo, iba yung aking banner, which is madali lang naman yan. Siguro gusto ko lang kasing customize ang aking banner, kaya gumawa ko na sarili kong banner. Pero if you want to change it, just select team, then marami ka na pagpipilian dito para mas madali mo lang ma-identify yung klase mo. Okay, just select the team, then select class team. So hindi ko na gagawin niya para hindi na mabago sa akin. Okay, now, so explore natin tong aking Google Classroom. So ito yung stream, so makita nyo para sa news feed sa FB. So let's go to the classwork. So dito sa gilid makita I have 3 topics: introduction, lesson 1, then classroom rules. So sa introduction, diyan ko nilagay yung max ng mathematics. So para makita ng bata yan. So view the materials yan. Okay, so paano natin ginawa yan? Pinakita sa inyo kanina yan, di ba? So just add file. Okay, then post and save it. Okay, next one, lesson. So bukod sa introduction classroom rules, naglagay din ako ng topic for lesson 1 para ma-identify ko na ito yung mga gagamitin ko para sa aking first lesson. Okay, so ano ba ilalaman yan? Okay, tingnan natin yung una. So dito, una-una, syempre yung materials. Ano nilagay ko sa materials? So I have a title. So my topic is describe all and illustrates different angles. Okay, so I have a description here. Okay, then meron ako ditong URL. So paano ba naglagay nito? Dito siya. So just click add, then YouTube, then so itong YouTube na to, ito yung related sa aking topic. So dalawa yan, pero mas maganda yung mas maiksi para hindi masyado maboring mga bata. So okay, next one. So ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, question. So pwede ka magbato ng mga question during your class R. So pwede na sagutan niya. Halimbawa to, papakita ko sa inyo ha. So ito yung nilagay ko na dito. So nakasave, save natin yan. So try nating sagutan. Try nating sagutan ng student. So punta tayo kay student. Ito na. So sa classwork, so ito yon. So choose the letter, the correct answer. So it's an angle exactly measures 90 degrees. So ito yung tamang sagot, then turn in. Okay, so submit answer, you will be able to make changes. So ibig sabihin, bawal nang baguhin yung sagot, then turn in. Okay, wait na, turn in. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin kay teacher. Okay, as you can see here, Socrates got the right answer. So you can put a 1 point here. Yan. So doon, makita mo kagad kung sino yung sumagot. Yan. Okay, so next naman natin. Ano naman tong isa? Bakit siya naka-grayscale? Kasi siya ay ginawa kong schedule. So during that time lang siya magpo-post sa aking lesson 1. So on August 3, 8 AM, doon lang siya magpo-post. So at that time, saka lang siyang makita ng aking student. At pwede na rin niya itong sagutan. So parang ano lang, parang simpleng recitation lang. Next, dito naman sa activity. Ito yung quiz assignment. So activity 1, in this quiz assignment, siya ay naka-default in the form of Google Form. So gumawa na ako nito, nilagyan ko na to. So tingnan natin kung ano yung, so ito nilalaman niya. Naka-Google Form siya, which is pwede itong sagutan ng student. Try natin ha. Let's go to student phase. Sagutan natin yung activity 1. So makikita niyo dito Google Forms, click, yan. So pwede na tayong sumagot. Okay, so sagutan natin ito isa. Okay, ito lumutok natin yan, then submit. So once na submit yan, tingnan natin sa teacher. Okay, yun o, makikita nyo. So, nagkaroon ng 1 turn. Automatic siya na nare-record. So, paano naman yung grades? Tingnan natin yung grades. Dito, nag-reflect yung sagot ng student. So, 5 out of 5. Sabihin, perfect yung score niya. Ito yung kanina, yung sa recitation, yung sa may question. Tama rin yung sagot niya. So, automatic siya na nagkakaroon ng score. Then, back to classwork. So, assignment naman. So, this assignment ay makikita rin ng bata. All they have to do is, so, tingnan natin sabihin ng bata ha. So, dito, yan na siya, naka-Google Doc siya. So, sasagutan lang niya yan. Yan, tapos sasagutan. So, now, click the turn in. Yan. So, sabihin yan, naipasa na siya kay teacher. So balik tayo sa interface teacher. Tingnan natin gawa ng estudyante niya. Ito, andito. So let's open it. Tingnan natin kung may sagot ito. So yan. So dito ka. So once na turn in ng student yung kanyang Google Docs. Automatic yun ay mas-send yun sa teacher sa Google Drive nila. So easily nako-consolidate ni teacher yung mga sagot ng kanyang estudyante. Thank you. Naway may natutunan kayo sa aking simpleng demo on how to use our Google Classroom. Good day everyone.